Hey guys, Miss Becky back on a Monday. We're going to do a little lava in a cup experiment. All I have is this glass jar, so we're just going to use that. It's a honey jar. All I have in here right now is some just water out of the sink, and I added some red food dye to it. And then I have 1/4 a cup of vegetable oil and one tablespoon of salt. So we're going to add the oil in slowly. We're going to watch what happens. Now, if you notice, all the oil came back to the top. You can see up here how it's settling up at the top of the jar. And the reason the oil does that is because it's actually lighter than the water. So it's going to come back to the top of the water. You see the oil. It's actually a yellowy clear color. So now we're going to see what happens to our concoction of oil and water when we put in some salt. I'm just going to sprinkle in some table salt. Notice how the oil is being dragged down by the salt. You notice, look at that. See? Looks kind of like what lava would look like. But so the salt is heavier than the oil, so it's dragging the oil down into the water. See that? That's pretty cool, isn't it? You see the oil and salt? It's kind of like a lava lamp. It's just not as active as a lava lamp. And you can keep adding salt into this to keep it going. So you can add as much salt as you, just to keep it going if you want to. So it's just going to keep pulling it down. There it goes. Bloop. So this is lava in a cup. So just, you'll fill it about right here with just regular water. Or you can fill up a little bit more, and then you're going to take 1/4 a cup of vegetable oil is what I used. It just said oil, so I think any kind of like cooking oil or baby oil or whatever, and then just regular old salt in the kitchen makes it pull the oil down to the bottom. So once again, the oil comes to the top because it is lighter than the water. When we pour the salt in, it's heavier than the oil, so it is bringing the salt, is weighing the oil down and bringing it to the bottom of the cup. See, there's the salt in the bottom of the cup. But when it gets to the bottom, you notice that the oil will escape and go back to the top. So there you go. That was just an easy science experiment. I hope y'all have a good rest of the week, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.